Hi guys, this is the 14th Prime here with an birthday unboxing. This is something that my grandmother let me get off of eBay for my birthday, and I must seriously thank her. Thank you, Grandma. I really appreciate it. This is something that I've wanted for 5 years, ever since 2009. Just to show you how big the box is. Here's a bot shot, because that's all that's over here. That's pretty much all I have over here. So let's open up this box. I've already opened up two sides. Open up the middle. My birthday was on the 7th. I had originally planned on opening this on the 10th, whenever my grandmother came back. But I was so anxious to open it, she's allowing me to open it today, which I am super happy about. So let's let you guys see what I got. We'll go with the bag first. Here is a little crayon hot rod. You can guess what this is for. And then this is other accessories. And here is the Classics hot rod. I had to look at it for a second. Also, here is the 2-pack hot rod that came with Cyclonus. And finally, the thing I have been wanting for 5 years, the Protector Armor. My god, Protector Armor. Like I said, thank you, Grandma. You rock. I'm gonna put it all over here. Just give me a second to open it. All. Might take a second or two. And you guys are just staring at my background. But hey, at least it'll be worth it. As I show this. Just give me a second. It's taking a lot longer to get this one out. This thing was really sealed. There is hot rod. Few little parts and pieces. A little hand. I'm just gonna place like that. A little bit more accessories. I even get the Matrix on a chain, but then that's pretty dang cool in my opinion. Also, here is the small little crayon hot rod. And then he has a whole bunch of these other little parts, but I'm not going to drag all that out. Don't want to lose any. Hold on, guys. Almost done. Almost done. It's just taking forever to open up off of this stuff. About finished opening this. The Generations 2-pack hot rod. I think it's Generations. I don't quite know. If you do know, please post in the comments because I want to do a review of it, but I don't know what to call it. And then the Parallax armor. Let's try to fit all this back in here. Got the hand, we got all this stuff, the Matrix on the chain, and all their weapons, all that good stuff. So this is my birthday present from my grandmother. Thank you. You are amazing. I really love you. And just to let everybody know, she got me this Mount Rushmore knife whenever she went to Denver, Colorado a long time ago, and I still use it to open up boxes every single day. So anyway, I think that's all I have to say. So, be sure to check out my channel for Transformers video reviews, and please don't forget to subscribe. Mr. 14th Prime, signing out.